Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how to make homemade bagels from scratch in the bread machine. So first off, we're going to start off with a cup of water. And then adding in 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Next, adding in 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then adding in 3 cups of flour. Now I'm going to be using instant yeast, and then you're going to go ahead and make a well inside of the flour mixture, trying not to get to the water mixture. And then lastly, you can add in 2 1/4 teaspoons of the yeast. And now that's all ready to go inside of the bread machine, and you can put that on the dough cycle. However, you're only going to let it go for one of the cycles, no resting in between. So you can hear it working really hard. You can see it's having trouble getting kneaded. So I'm going to go ahead and add almost a tablespoon of water. And hopefully that can help it a little bit more. Each bread machine is different. So checking on the dough right now, and you can tell it's not done because whenever you pull it, it splits. So we're going to go ahead and knead that a little bit more. Now just checking on the dough again, and if you pull it, you can see it's almost translucent and it doesn't pull apart, which means it's ready. Now you're going to go ahead and let that rest with a towel over it for 10 minutes. Now you can fill up a pot of water and bring that to a boil. Then adding in 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now that the dough is finished resting, I'm going to go ahead and make it into sizes. Now you can use your own judgment on how big of a size to do, or you can cut it. Now I'm making mini bagels, so I got about 19. If you were making regular bagels, you'd probably get about 9. Now you're just going to roll it between your palm and the counter or a hard surface until you get that nice ball form. And then you're going to flatten it. Next, pushing your finger in the center until it pulls through. Then you're going to round that out and stretch out the hole so that it doesn't close in together whenever it bakes. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish these up, and then we will move on to the next step. Now with your water boiling, you can go ahead and add up to 3 of those shaped dough into the water, and then once it floats, flip it for another 30 seconds, and then you can go ahead and take them out and drain them on a piece of paper towel. Once they've dried off, you can go ahead and spray some Pam onto a baking spray and then transfer your bagel doughs onto the baking sheet. Then you can go ahead and crack open 1 egg, getting out the egg whites. Now with those egg whites, you can cover the top of the bagels. With your oven preheated to 325, you can go ahead and bake them for 20 to 25 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.